Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we will guide you through the process of what to do once a job has been awarded.
Once the estimate has been agreed upon, you can transfer the line items into the production module to track running expenses. The production module allows you to enter receipts for the line items based on time or rate. As the budget fluctuates, you will be able to transfer money between line items to allocate funds where needed in order to maintain a balanced budget. When you are ready to transfer your job into the invoice stage, transfer from the production module, and the system will carry over only the actuals, the line items with receipts attached. Transfer from the estimate module, and the invoice will be a straight copy of the agreed upon line items. If you have any questions about these features, please access our help page, which explains all the features BlinkBid offers. If your question is not answered, contact customer support via the help icon from the menu under your account name in the top right corner.